Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can search, filter and apply for the jobs in UBS company. Let's jump into the video, friends. So basically friends, as soon as you opened Google, just search for UBS directly in the search bar. So once you have opened the search bar, once you have searched for UBS in the search bar, you'll get these two pages. You can click on the careers UBS Global here. I'm just going to open it. So it will push us to the company's page. So here is the whole data about the company. You can take a look and click on apply today. And these are the jobs around the world in America, APAC, EMEA, India, Poland, Switzerland and UK. So these are the jobs. So you can filter the jobs based upon these locations, 1, and 2, you can filter the jobs based upon the professionals, business solution centers, university graduations, military veterans and spouses, school leaves like internships, and career comeback. If you have a gap, then you can take a look. So this is how you can search for the jobs. Let me open career comeback, professionals, university students. So these 3 I have filtered. So these jobs are for experienced professionals. Like, see what kind of jobs are available here. Lead engineer, cloud security specialist, software asset management. So these are the jobs for professionals. Sorry, these are the jobs for comebacks. These are for professionals. Group treasury, data scientist, automation engineer, CTO tech engineer, business analyst and everything. And these are in the US for interns or university graduations, summer internship, associate program, global banking, full-time associate program. So all these are the jobs. You can take a look. And let's say if I want to apply for this role, I can click on MLOps. So I'll go with this description. So let's say if we are a good fit, then what we can do is we can click on apply. Once we click on apply now, it will ask you to log in with your email address and password if you have applied in the past. If not, click on don't have an account and it will ask you to create an account. Then the further process can be shown. So friends, this is how you can filter. And keeping that aside, in my previous video I have shared a freshers hiring. I recommend you to take a look, and I will be posting at 10 AM every day jobs related to the freshers and experience, so take a look. And that's it for this video, friends. In my upcoming video I would be sharing more relevant information. Until then, keep watching my videos and do not forget to subscribe my channel for more future videos. Thank you and have a great day.